What's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Jeremy Hoffman, the climate and earth scientist here at the Science Museum of Virginia. We have some really exciting renewable energy news for you from right here in the Commonwealth. Along the beautiful hills and mountains of the western part of our state, Bath County has now become home to Virginia's first 100% solar-powered school. That's right, Valley Elementary School will be the first school in Virginia to run entirely off of solar power. In fact, the Bath County public school system will get over half of their total energy needs from outfitting their schools with solar power. So, how many schools are going solar in Virginia and around the rest of the country? Lucky for us, a collection of nonprofit groups, including the Solar Foundation, Generation 180, and the Solar Energy Industries Association, just released a report on this topic. But rather than just listen to me rattle off the findings of this report, I figured we'd get some help from a class here in Richmond at Binford Middle School. So, let's roll out and learn about solar schools. Students at Binford have just embarked on a green school initiative funded by the National Fish and Wildlife Foundation and managed by the Alliance for the Chesapeake Bay.
Schools like ours make good candidates for solar systems because of their big flat roofs and lack of shading from trees.
As of October 2017, nearly 5,500 U.S. schools have solar power.
At least 3.9 million students across America go to solar-powered schools.
School solar systems are able to power enough electricity to power 190,000 American households.
Solar schools in America offset nearly 221,000 cars worth of heat-trapping gas emissions, which are changing our global climate every year.
Offsetting that many cars is the same as planting almost 27 million trees.
So where does Virginia rank compared to the rest of the country? As of 2017, we are ranked 20th in the nation for solar energy installations, but only 1% of Virginia schools have solar installations.
Many Virginia schools have added solar systems for educational purposes and for job training because the solar industry employed more people in 2016 than wind, nuclear, coal, and natural gas.
And since schools like these can double as an emergency shelter during an extreme event like a hurricane, having solar on their roofs builds community resilience by keeping the lights and critical emergency systems powered up. So, solar schools are a rising trend, and I guess you can say they have a bright future. Bright future, get it? Like the sun.